Not to squirt ever.
Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. So today we have our Target beauty box unboxing, and I'm actually really excited because this box is a ton of new products that I've never used before, and honestly I don't think there's been any items in here that have been like a repeat in some of the boxes. So if you want to know what's in this month's box, then just keep on watching. Alrighty, so this box is so pretty. I like actually matches my makeup. So this box is inspired by like a festival, since we just had Coachella and now we're about to be in summer, so a lot of like, you know, pool parties, or these are products that you can like use on the go. Let's just go ahead and see what's in this month's box. And of course, y'all already know you will always get this little brief description, a little card of what's inside the box, and also you'll always get the $3 off $15 or more. Now the one product that I'm actually really excited for, and I was gonna say the best for last, but I'm just gonna show it to you guys right now. So basically what these are like those little, like if you have like a a French braid or something and you want to add an extra oomph to your hair, you add these little little rings, and this one has like a moon, this one has like a little gem on it, just to add little pieces to your hair, like so. But I actually have little hair, like long like bobby pin hairpins from this like collection. They're really cute. So if you see this collection in Target, definitely check it out because it's a lot of cute stuff. But I'm actually really excited to play around this with my hair. And then next product we have is this Bliss Jelly Glow Peel. It's a gentle, non-abrasive exfoliator with fruit enzymes. Like I said, I've used Bliss products before, and I would say like the only product that I actually really like is this hand cream. It's the Lemon and Sage Body Butter, and it's super moisturizing. So a lot of their, I don't know, like Bliss products are kind of like a hit and miss for me. I really don't care for their cleansers or exfoliators, so I'll definitely check this out and see if I like it. Let's see what it smells like. It says like fruity, so maybe it smells like fruits, like tropical.
Not to squirt ever.
It doesn't really smell fruity. It's like slightly, but I feel like it's more like minty, citrusy. Not mainly like super fruity, like I'm thinking fruity like strawberries, oranges, or bananas, but it still smells really nice. It smells like very clean. Some of it like squirted out, but I'm actually really excited to try this out because my skin is really dry right now. Next item we have is this SGX NYX. It is this 3-in-1 dry texture spray. I love the bottle. It's like all purple. Love those vibes, and it's for volume, refresh, and hold. It's just like a dry shampoo. And this is also free of parabens, sulfates, gluten, vegan friendly, and they do not test on animals, so that's really awesome. But let's try this out real quick. I think it's just, oh, it smells really I like but the only thing with these guys, since it has texture, it's gonna give you like kind of like, see, like I have already volume in this sense, kind of like I've already put dry shampoo in my hair, but most of the time, like by the midday, my hair is already like falling. But I actually really like this. It's actually giving me a ton of volume. But yeah, I know it looks really nice, and it smells really good. So I think whenever I'm doing this, I'm probably gonna buy the bigger spray. Now with these sprays, since they're texturizing, especially when you have like your hair, like you just your hair, like if you curled it or like did something fun with it, just a little spritz with it will kind of give it a lot of volume, and it will stay. I love the, oh, what is it called? I'm probably gonna pronounce this wrong, but the Aubrey, I cannot pronounce it, but I'll insert a photo on the screen. But I love that texturizing spray, but it's really expensive. So whenever I find a really good texture dry shampoo spray, like a 3-in-1, basically what this is, they're really nice. So let's get on to the next product. I don't think we've gotten a Dove like aerosol antiperspirant, but it's just a Dove dry spray Gold Fresh. So like I said, if you're going to a festival and you're gonna be sweating, you're gonna want to keep this in like your bag or a fanny pack or something because you want to smell clean and fresh. I do like Dove, and this is a scent that I have used before, so this will be perfect to just put in the bag, especially if you're going to like the beach and stuff like that. just to kind of like little quick spray so you're not like stinky like throughout the day if you guys go out somewhere. Next up we have is this Hawaiian Tropic Antioxidant Refresh Sunscreen Mist. We got some sunscreen! And this is a 30 SPF and it is good for the face and body. So this is really great. Like I said, we're going into the summer months. We're gonna need to put some sunscreen on our face because we don't want to like age our skin, and especially if you don't want to get sunburn on your face, because let me tell you, this is not the best. And it's with green tea extract. So this is good for on the go, daily use sun mist, lightwear, and oil-free formulas. Like I said, I love these tiny little products because now I can put this in our like little pool beach bag and just kind of spray over my face just in case I forget. I probably will, if this works out for me, I probably will buy the full size of it and probably have a couple, one here at my house and then one in our pool bag, so that I have, you know, I don't have to like bring with me and forget it in my bag. But I'm actually really excited for this. If any of you guys have tried this before and you like it, leave me your thoughts and down in the comments. But I'm actually really excited for this. And then we have a couple more products left. So we have this Sinful Colors nail polish. This is actually a really pretty color. I would like test it on my nail, but I have got some fresh new nails. But this is a really pretty color. I'll probably let Sabina have this. And she'll probably like it, but like I said, first of all, really pretty funky colors. So I've tried Sinful Colors before. I usually use this nail polish on my toenails, and they last pretty well. They're not like the best nail polish, but if you're just needs like a really quick, simple, like something on your nails, Sinful Colors is really good and it's really inexpensive. I want to say like it's like $1.97 or $2.97. It's really affordable. And then our last product is this Masque Bar Holographic Foil. Now, is this really holographic? Does it really look like this on the face? Probably not. It's probably like more like an iridescent, like unicorn color. But it's this holographic peel off mask, helps to revitalize, moisturize, and illuminate the appearance of skin. This whole entire box is really meant for like I said, festival, you're having a party and you want to, like I said, you have your sunscreen, you have your nail polish down, you have some cool accessories to put in your hair, you have, so you make sure you're not stinky, and to keep those curls or whatever fun hairstyle you're using to keep it in place. And what else? Did we get everything? Oh, and then at night, if you can usually go with these two, if you need some exfoliating or if you need some moisture, you have your mask in hand. So like I said, guys, this is probably like one of my favorite Target beauty boxes that I've gotten, and I've been doing this for like what, like almost a year now, since I've been getting them since I started my channel back in September, but I've been getting Target beauty boxes for about a year now, and I would have to say this is like the most exciting box that I've ever got, that I was actually like waiting for this box to come and waiting to do this video. So if this box is available, I will leave it down in the description box so you guys can get. This box was $7 and they always ship for free. So if any of these products interest you, even if it's like I said, this was probably like the main thing that just, I was like, yes, I'm ready to like put this in my hair and have some fun with it. Everything in this box I really enjoyed. I know Target beauty boxes can get a little bit repetitive, so I was really excited that they did put some new products that I haven't seen, or maybe they have but like I wasn't introduced to it yet. A lot of great products were in this box this month. So let me know in the comments down below, what was your favorite product out of this box? Are you gonna pick up this month's box? Let me know. But that is gonna be it for this one. If you haven't already, you should go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also turn on your notifications so you are notified every single time I upload, and you'll never miss a Target beauty box unboxing. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye guys.